Sana ba hinahanap ko ng gigigil na ako? Ang sakit-sakit na ng ngipin ko! Ano? Joke lang. I'm Rita Daniela and I'm here sa Urban Smiles Dental Clinic. So guys, today I tried a new way of dental cleaning and explain and pinatry sa akin yun ni Doc RFD and they call it the SBT. Ako kasi, ever since I have a very sensitive gums and madali ako mangilo, with this procedure, yung newest way of dental cleaning, I can compare na sobrang layo niya dun sa usual way or sa old way of cleaning kasi this time, they used air and water lang to clean. I really felt it. Super less yung moments na narinig ko yung zzz. And I prefer this cleaning kasi mas comfortable si feeling. Yung alam mong water and air lang talaga yung tumatama sa gums mo and sa teeth mo. And I heard that di lang niya nakiklean yung teeth mo but it also protects. So, I'm very, very happy and I feel honored that, I got to try this SBT and Urban Smiles. Hello everyone! Again, this is Rita Daniela. So guys, I am recommending to please try SBT dito sa Urban Smiles. I have to say, this is really a life-changing experience. Really, most especially for people who has very sensitive gums, like me. At yung mga takot din sa pupunta sa dentista, sa mga tunog na naririnig nyo, this is the perfect cleaning for you guys. This time, wala nang takot, wala nang masyadong naririnig, and yung feeling as well, kasi this is just air and water. So, I'd like you to guys please try SBT again in Urban Smiles.